going down. I'm yelling timber.
Hello everyone. So today, leap year party is right now. I'm happy. What? Okay. Yay! Let me in. It says 0 minutes. Okay, it's glitching. Yay! Give me. It only comes 4 times a year. I didn't know. Yes! Sorry, I'm happy. So right when you walk in, you just see tons of people. Okay, let's see. If I see some popular people. Okay, so you see this cute little chair, cute little table. I like it. Frogs everywhere. Let me guess, this frog's themed. I want a frog. Okay, so let's see. Oh my god, this furniture. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's see. Is it a claw machine? Okay, let's do the. Wow, that's a fail. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god, look at this fox hat. It's way more like. I don't know how to say it. Like way more detailed here. I'm glad they didn't put rares. I'm gonna buy everything. I'm just like buying everything right now. Ah! Okay. Why everything? Now let's buy everything over here. If I can even afford it. This stuff is a lot of money. I'm wasting all my money. Cry. I cry every time. I can't find anything else. Okay. Who cares? Is anything there? Yay. Candlestick matches. Ooh, there's a little slide. Wait, let's try to play the claw game. The claw. Do you want plushies? Nope, you want it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Cry. Wait, okay, let's try to get it this time. Cry. I'm wasting all my gems. Not like yes. Wow. At least I get to recycle. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. And yeah. So let's slide down the slide. Okay, it's taking a while. That's how laggy it is. Wow, the slide's actually small. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and bye everyone. Bye everyone. How does it? Bye everyone.